Hello, you trader nerds. How are y'all? I'm so excited because we got the all the accounts now in a single login. So now I don't have to log out, log back in. So we'll be able to see the jumbo account. Plus, we'll be able to see the little account um, here on Tasty. So this is really, really, really good. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, let's see what's going on in the market. Market, look at this, y'all. What is this? Did Biden fall off an airplane again? What happened? What's up with that? We're popping up to the overnight high. We formed a fractal. Now it's going down, baby. So we'll see. Market really unchanged. 0.13. Look at this. VIX is down in the 14 handle now. Very, very, very interesting on average volume. Nothing to see here. Big Green Monster is, of course, overbought. So we expect to see some pullback into this area in the next 10 days. We'll see if that happens or not. Also, let's look at the linear regression chart, see if we can still see that exhaustion that we've talked about so often before. And indeed, we do. We see volume down, price up. We see the little doji candles. We see an exhaustion, and this thing should turn over at some point. That's what the plan is. So let's see how our little accounts are doing today. So let's start with the Tasty account. Let's see how this thing looks over here. Tasty account. Look at this, y'all. 90% probability of success. $40,724. 4724. All right. So we are at. Oh, heck, that's the wrong one. Isn't it? No, it's not. Yeah, 922, 20. That's the wrong one. Hold on. Let me get the right spreadsheet here. Hold on. Let's see. Raw Tasty Trade spreadsheet. No, that's the mega. Hold on. Let me find the right one. Tasty Trade spreadsheet. I edited it. Tasty spreadsheet Monday. Here it is. There we go. Now let's get it out. So 40, what did we say it was? 40,700 and something. 40,000, having one of them days. 40,724. 4724. Y'all know what that means? 4724. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, let's look at our Greeks and ratios, see how we're doing here. So here we are at 3633. 3633. Where are you at? 3633. 33. Okay, and VIX is in the 14 handle, and we're only using $8,000 worth of buying power. 8,007. Put that in there. 8,007. I don't know, guys. I think this looks like we need a trade. Look at this. We're only using 19% buying power, and we're at 0.08. I think we need to put on a trade. So let's do that. Let's go over here, and we'll make sure we're trading the right account. So we'll go over here, and we'll trade the micros. All right. And let's see how we did this. Trade micros. We'll go closest to 120 days. So that's going to be 127 days. And we're going to do the put debit spread at the 25 delta. I don't have these. Okay, so 25 delta. So 26, 23. So 4250, 4200. Let's see what that looks like. 4250, 4200, 10 and a quarter. Let's move that down one. I just want to pay a little less for that. There we go. There he is. Let's see if we can get filled on that. And we are in. Then we'll go down to that 5 delta. 5% probability being in the money. That don't look right. Look at that, 90 cents, whatever. So here's the 6% probability being in the money. 1575, that looks good. Let's see if we can get 16 out of it and do 2 of those on our 112. 99% probability of profit. I like it a lot. There we are. In, baby. In, baby, in. All right, so that bumped our theta up from what, 33 to 35. Give us a couple extra dollars of theta. So that looks really, really good. Let's now look at our Crimson account. The account is at an all-time high. It will even be higher today. So the Crimson is at 24,358. 24,358. Just a little bit, 24,358. Just kind of easing on up.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, and our Greeks and ratios here are 20 and 17. 20 and 17. I don't like that. 20 and 17. And Dix is at 14. And how much buying power are we using? A measly $5,900. $5,900, which means what? We need a trade, y'all. We just need a trade. See if it's telling me to adjust anything. Nope. We've adjusted everything. So let's do a trade over here as well. So we'll go to Crimson. Then we'll go trade macros. 127 days. Same thing. Uh-oh. Let's don't trade the E-minis. Let's trade the macros. There we go. There's 128 days. Okay. So we'll go to that 5 delta. So we'll go to this, let's do that 3650. 3650 and see if we can bump that. That's a lot more than that. Getting bad prices. See if we can get 1675. There we go. 1675 at 128 days. So 3650. I'm gonna put it in my spreadsheet because I forget sometimes. 3650. Y'all help me. Macros. We did 2 of those, or I hope I did 2 of them. 3650. And we did, this is a naked put. What is this? 96. Wow, look at this, y'all. Puts naked 108. We got in 11,823. And what was it? 1675. Let's see if that's right. 1675. Go check my orders because I forget. 1675 is right. There you go. So now let's go and let's do our little put debit spread. And you know, maybe I should start lumping these together and just keeping them like, you know, 1, 1, 2. Do it as all. You can do it all in one order over here in this thing. So 25 delta is this one or this one. So let's go 4250, 4200, 4250, 4200. There we go. See if we can get filled here. Come here, baby. There we go. 4250, 4200 for 920. 4250. 4,200 for 920. All right, so we're going to call that MES, not SPX, Bob. Oh, Bob, oh, Bob. All right, there we go. So we're doing one contract. We'll call this PDS 96. And puts debit spread. Uh-oh. Retry, baby. Debit. And this should be 128. 128. 11, 8, 23. Beautiful. Okay. Made a little over $100 credit there. So that's the way you do it. Now, what you got to remember, I'm trying to remember all this stuff I got to do now because we got so many accounts we're trading, is let's go and make sure we got our groups. And then unallocated, we've got a naked put. And then we got a put debit spread. Put debit spread. Beautiful. Ta-da. Okay. So that looks good. So we got 2 minutes, 31 seconds for the market. Let's look at our jumbo account. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and look at the jumbo. So we hadn't done our net lick since 11/2. So it's 11/8/23. And let's just see what our Greeks and ratios are here. Go the right one, Bobby. So over here we are at, oh Lord, hold on. Let me log out of this. How do I log out of this? Let me go to this here. Go to Tastyverse Trading. Well, it's 450 something. Let's see. Let's go to this one over here. Now then. Oh, come on, Bob. What's the darn password? It is. How about that? Yeah, update the password. Now we go. Now let's see which one we want. I don't care about my password. Save passwords. Yes. All right, here we go. Which account is this? Portfolio. There it is, baby. There it is. And let's see what the net lick is. Okay, let me unhide that. Give me a second, y'all. We're going to do the jumbo one. Privacy mode. Okay, so the privacy mode. Let me do this. This one is at 451, 450,477, 450,477, 450,477, 450,477. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now.
Hallelujah.
To the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, so let's see how our little stuff looks over here. So, let's see. Yeah, give me a second. I'm not used to doing shuffling all these accounts. All right, so over here, remember we're doing this as a scheduled trade. So we're doing, here it is over here, 49.45, 49.45, 49.45. And VIX is at 14, not 143. There's the bell, baby. And then our buying power usage is. Now, somebody told me that I was supposed to get buying power relief on that BIL that I got. But is the reason that I'm not getting buying power relief, those of y'all that know, because this is a IRA? Is that the case? 357,918.
Yep.
Okay, that is the case. That's what I get. 357,918. Now, 79%. That looks bad, y'all, but remember, that's all bill. That's all of our bill. And we're not going to put a trade on in this account until what? Until our ES gets to 120 days. We're going to schedule these trades in this account. So we are at 127 a week from today. Next Wednesday, we will put on our next trade. Any questions on that at all? What's going on in the chat? You sold only one naked put. Mo, did I mess up? You only sold 136.50? Well, let's sell two of them. And y'all were talking about in this account. Let's see. In the Crimson field orders. Yep, I only sold one. Then create duplicate order. Hopefully I can get it for 16.75. And we are in. Good job out of us. Good job out of us. Hey, baby. Come on, mom. All right. Beautiful job, guys. That's how you do it. I got to go pick up a chicken from someone's house. So y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all tomorrow.